Hello my beautiful babes, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, for the last couple of months to I want to say a year, I've really had a weird love-hate relationship with wigs, but I'm ready to be a fine girl again. Do you know what I mean? As much as I'd love to escape the bundles, the wigs, the tape-ins, there's just a certain type of flair that these looks can add to your overall look. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna stick beside the wigs for a little bit longer. This video is brought to you by AliPearl, and they've really been a long-term partner of this channel. And for today's video, I just opted to do this really clean, chic, classy look using their 20-inch body wave wig in 250% density. And don't worry, you'll be able to see more of this hair throughout this video. But most importantly, you're also going to be able to get a lot of the gist behind changing up my look and just transforming my hair from this to this. I can't believe I've had these in already for 8 weeks. That is 2 months, but it's time for the braids to say their goodbyes and be on their merry way. Until next time. So these are some of the things that I like to have with me when I'm taking out my hair. Clearly, gotta have my comb. I actually have 2 white tooth combs. I have this one that's really good for natural hair. I forgot the name of it. Obviously, it'll be linked below, but this is an old faithful. It's been with me for a really long time. My hair loves this. And then I also have some clips, just to tuck my hair away. I have a bigger clip and 2 smaller clips. And then obviously, I have a rubber band as well to keep my hair separated from the braids and the ones that I've already taken out. I also have a pair of scissors because we're definitely gonna need that when it comes to cutting the hair. And lastly, I like to have some coconut oil with me. Not only do I rub this on my hands as I'm taking out the hair, just so that my hair has a bit of slip, but also most importantly, I like to keep my hair soft as I'm taking out the hair, so that way when I get to washing my hair, everything is almost very seamless, because I started off with taking steps that just added to the softness of my hair overall. So not only do I put this coconut oil on my hands, but I also added to the tail end of my comb, and I also sometimes added to the teeth of the comb. I just like to make sure that everything is very, very, very moisturized, and not necessarily moisturized, but soft. I need my hair to have some type of slip to it, so that way it stays soft, there are no tangles, and everything's just easy peasy. I also like having this with me. I don't use it as frequently, but it's an anti-breakage leave-in. It has aloe, black castor oil, that's Jamaican black castor oil. It has conditioning aloe, it's vitamin infused, no sulfates, no silicones, none like that. And I've just found that when I do use this, my hair is very, very soft. It does say it's a leave-in conditioner, but I'm not gonna keep this in my hair, to be honest. I'm only gonna use it as I'm taking out the braids, just to have some type of slip to my hair. And yeah, I'm gonna be washing it right off once I wash my hair. But I also have some snacks with me. I have some almonds in here with some cookies, just some essentials as I'm taking down my hair, and also my iPad so I can be watching something. I don't necessarily know what I'm gonna be watching, to be honest with you. I'll probably watch something on YouTube, maybe something on Netflix. You guys should even comment down below what you guys are watching now, because I feel like I've watched pretty much every show that my brain power can handle, if that makes sense. I feel like there are a lot of silly shows, and the ones that kind of make the most sense I've already watched. A favorite of mine recently was Griselda. So if there's anything similar to that, let me know down below, because yeah, I need you guys to put me on. And I don't mind if it's a long series or a short series or a limited series. Honestly, I just need something that's good. I don't want brain numbing TV. I want it to have a solid plot, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna get organized and start taking out my hair. It's currently 12:20 a.m. and this should definitely take me into the night. I'm hoping it takes me no more than 4 hours to take out all of this. But yeah, I've had these braids in for 8 weeks, and to be honest, if it wasn't for the undergrowth or the new growth, I definitely would have kept this in a little bit longer, just because I don't know, these braids are just so it's just so low maintenance, and I really don't have to do much. But you can see the new growth is coming in crazy, and I have been putting some oil on my hair, and it's a hair oil that has honestly grown my hair so much in the last year and a half. And I have the most growth behind my ears, or around my ears. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but there's look at that, almost an inch of growth in 8 weeks, which is pretty typical for 2 months, because your hair grows about an inch every 2 months. So yeah, that's really good. Look at that. Look at the new growth. I'm impressed. But yeah, I'm gonna get settled. I also have this TV with me. It's my little portable TV. Sometimes I use it as a screen for my like when I'm recording. But it's like a little portable TV. So yeah, I'm gonna put something on, get settled, and we are in for a very, very long night. Gonna switch over to voiceover mode here so I can tell you guys all the things that I did to my hair while I was in this stage. But I've taken the time to wash, detangle, and treat my hair. And straight out the shower, I'm applying this blowout serum or like this blowout spray to my hair, and it'll be linked below just in case you guys want it too, because honestly this thing gets my hair so sleek and it keeps it really, really sleek for some time. And I just make sure that throughout the entire duration of my hair routine, I'm constantly keeping my hair locked up in sections, and whatever I do to one section I go ahead and do to the other section, and I never move on to the next section until I'm done working on the current section that I'm on, you know what I mean? Yeah, this just makes the process so much more structured, and if you know me, you know I like a bit of structure. Okay, with my blow dryer brush, and in those sections of course I am blowing out my hair, and sometimes I'll go in with my tangle teaser brush or like my curly hair friendly comb and just make sure that I get any tangles out of my hair one last time before using that blow dryer brush. But truthfully, I never really have to worry about getting tangles in my hair for two reasons. One, my hair really isn't that coarse. Like, yes, my hair is kinky curly, but my hair still is kind of like on the finer side in comparison to different types of kinky curly hair. And secondly, I don't really have to worry about the blow dryer brush. Like, it's very coily hair friendly, and yeah, I never have to worry about it giving me tangles or my hair getting snagged in it. Like, that's never an issue for me. I know I've had trouble with that in the past with other blow dryer brushes, but this one, not an issue. However, I must say that finger detangling and using these detangling brushes or combs throughout the entirety of my routine definitely does help with the lack of tangles that I have to deal with. But besides all of that, I am happy that after all of the nonsense that I put my hair through while I was in Nigeria, I still have hair on my head though. Like, I definitely experienced a bit of breakage, and you know, I'll be getting my ends trimmed very soon just to make sure that I'm maintaining the length that I have and just getting rid of any damage that was done to my hair. But I'm actually still so happy that my hair actually held up. Now, listen to me when I say this. When I'm not doing the absolute most to my hair, the best and what I feel is the only way to truly keep my hair tucked away is in cornrows. Nothing else. I feel like sew-ins, clip-ins, even braids, I feel like all of that still produces heavy manipulation to my hair or to your hair in general. And yeah, there's just nothing like a good cornrow and wig combo, especially when your focus is hair growth and just overall healthy ends and healthy hair. I'm cornrowing my hair and tucking away the previous cornrow that I braided into each new braid, and this is just the perfect way to keep your wigs on flat. Like, I never have to worry about my wigs being bulky or my foundation not being flat enough. Like, with this method, my ends are tucked, my foundation for my wig is on flat, and yeah, it's just perfect. Like, honestly, what more could I ask for, you know? Once I'm done with all of the cornrows, my hair routine is incomplete without this hair oil. I always go in with this after combing my hair and never before blow drying my hair, because I just feel like mixing heat with oil, I try not to do that. So whenever I do blow dry my hair, I blow dry my hair pretty much with no product in my hair other than that spray that I sprayed. But yeah, I'm following all of that up by massaging my hair oil into my scalp. And once that is done, a few magic words, bippity boppity boop, and boom, that wig comes right on. This wig is from AliPearl Hair. It is their 20-inch body wave hair in 13x6 HD lace. Hold on, I'm trying to say all of this from the top of my head, but 13x6 HD lace frontal wig, 250% density. Like, for me, the fuller the better, and this wig delivers with that, okay? And trust me, I'd really love to walk you guys through this part of the video, but I feel like actions speak louder than words, so I'm not even gonna bother with saying too much or doing too much talking. Just observe the perfection of this install and let me know your thoughts in the comments as you watch.
Suppress my emotions. They're bursting like fountains, baby. They take me up, they take me down. I don't care, they weaken my knees. Oh, I got nothing to hide, my heart is hurting. You belong and you make me feel something. I got my eyes on you. Baby, come in, yeah, come in. I cannot fathom this life without you. Come in, yeah, come in. This feels like home now. Come in and stay here, baby. Baby, girl,
There's nothing that says being a black girl with serious talent like being able to transform your look overnight. Babes, we really went from braids to bundles all within 24 hours, and I'm absolutely here for it. I'm loving it. I couldn't have asked for anything else, and I did all of this in the comfort of my home without having to pay for a deposit or book an appointment. And yeah, I feel like that's a little flex. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, this was also my first time seeing myself in a wig in almost like 4 months, and as much as I didn't miss it all the way, I love it here. But I hope you babes enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments, and I will see you in my next one.